Hoya Macrophylla is a species of flowering plant that is native to Borneo. This rare plant has been grown by hobbyists for decades. However, it's only now beginning to enter the mainstream as more people are becoming aware of its beauty and rarity. Macrophylla hoya leaves are fleshy and waxy with dark green coloring. As they mature, the leaves often feature strips of white, yellow, or pink. Blooms appear in the spring and summer, producing cream or white clusters of star-shaped flowers. The flowers release their scent at night when their natural pollinators come out. The scent is said to resemble that of a hydrangea. You will want to give your Hoya Macrophylla bright and direct light, ideally a few feet away from an east or north-facing window. That way it'll receive the right amount of bright sunlight it needs for the day. Long periods of direct sunlight will burn the leaves and could even kill the plant. Let the soil dry out completely before watering deeply. Thoroughly soak the soil with water, then allow it to drain out through the bottom. Then leave it alone for a few weeks. Do not overwater. Its shallow roots rot easily and the plant will die. Hoya Macrophylla is gaining popularity, and for a good reason. These plants are both low maintenance and generally unfussy, making them ideal for beginners.